Hey guys, welcome to Smart Content Profits Review. Let's take a Let me tell a little bit about Smart Content Profit. What is Smart Content Profit? Smart Content Profit is a groundbreaking app that builds WordPress sites on autopilot. Just add in a domain and let our system do the rest. The system will build and set everything up for the WordPress site in the minutes. And it includes full time WordPress hosting on your own super fast servers. Not only it will build the site, but it will also add the content as well. Once the site is set, you can instant add content via a couple of different ways. So here's what you will get in a simple smart content profits. Full access to the secret app. This is the heart and soul of Simple Content Profit. Just log in to your account from anywhere or any device and you will be at your super easy to use dashboard. Just enter these items. Domain name for your new site, title for your website, keyword or subject for your new site, and click the build button. That's it. Next, it's high power fast hosting. Your web host can make or break your success, especially if you use only one of those budget cheap web hosts. Those guys usually do one or more of the following: overload their servers with too many customers, use out of date equipment to save money, use slower cheaper upstream providers, wimp out on customer support. Kiss to stress goodbye. I depend on my site, so I have got bulletproof fast hosting, and so you will. Your sites are automatically built on hosting that won't let you down and won't hurt your budget because it's included at no charge. Full secure WordPress setup. No more having to manually set up WordPress with all its confusing settings and technical mumbo jumbo. And no worry if your site can get hacked down the line. Putting all your hard work and income in jeopardy, your WordPress site is set up the right way. Always the latest, most secure version. Every permission correct, every setting correct. Ongoing security is always locked in. Your setup details can be downloaded in text file. Your WordPress hoops are a thing of the past. Always the right theme and plugins always set up the right way. Themes and plugins can be a total nightmare. You need them, but finding them and setting them up can be the most work of all. Themes and slash plugins can fall out of there and die. Each theme or plugin has a different setup process. Which plugin really does the best job? Will my plugin conflict with each other or with the theme? Good luck getting support. Not anymore. They have identified the best theme and plugins for this type of site, so they depend on them and they don't want any problem while building the site or down the line. You get some hand-picked theme, the plugins they are using, which work perfectly every time. Next is automatic self-updating content creation. Your sites can't survey without content. Rather than resigning yourself to a life changed at your desk, churning out articles or paying someone else to it, Smart Content Profits will search for the best fresh content on your subject and legally steal it for use on your site. Content is always on topic and fresh. Specify parameters or let it go on its own. Immediate posting or post by scheduling calendar. Smart Content Profits turns your sites into a self-updating one-stop source for the content your audience is hungry for. Content's always posted when you want. Flexible. Some sites should be updated once in a while, some more and some less. You can always have a content post based on the specific schedule you want. Let's let simple Smart Content Profit post whenever it finds something new. Destinate a specific schedule for as far into the future as you want. Look ahead, see what will be posted and change if you want. Will my plugins conflict with each other or with the theme. Always the opinion to add original content if you want. You are never locked into a content posting schedule that won't work for your niche. Automatic curated content citation. Keep your 100% legal. Remember how they said smart content profits will legally steal content for your site. That means it automatically curing content that other sources post. That is totally white hat and allowable. Even big companies like Yahoo depend on curated content for their sites. But you must include a properly formulated citation link back to the source. Mess this up and you're committing a copyright violation that can result in losing your website and high dollar fines. So simple content profit will always include a properly formulated citation link with every single content item it curates for you. No worries and no problem down the line. Get viral and traffic, engagement and link backs from the social media. If you aren't socialist sharing each article you post on your website, you are missing out on a crucial opportunity. Viral traffic from people sharing your posts, social engagement that builds your social network, high value link backs that search engine loves, simple content profits ensure every one of your posts gets properly shared on to your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Reddit, and Blogger account. Always formulated properly, always using the right image, always ready to generate viral sharing. I have attached the demo video in the description box, so if you want to watch the demo, click in the link given in the description box. So let's take a look at the upgrades and the pricing. So smart content profit comes in three upgrades. The upgrade one is smart content profit